most times I hear people ask questions like, what is even really happening in Umagwo? What is going on there? Umagwo is bushy, nobody is investing, there are no structures in Umagwo. But today I am here to tell you or show you the things that are really happening in Umagwo. Umagwo is the next big city in Imo State, and I'm going to show you all of them today. Now, by my right hand side, this is an oil producing company. By my right hand side also, just beside the oil producing company, you see an estate called Eastern Heaven Estate. Now, by my left hand side, you will see Better Court Estate. All right, now in front you get the NDDC estate and also another oil producing factory here in Umagwo. Then behind me you see like 3 other real estate companies here in Umagwo. That is to tell you that Umagwo is a fast developing area, and if you are not investing in Umagwo, I will tell you you are sleeping on a bike. All right, but today I'm going to show you our beautiful Green Palms Estate Umagwo for you to also see that things are really going on here in Umagwo. Come on, let's go. Voila! I am standing right here in Green Palms Estate Umagwo, and as you can see, there are much work going on here. Look at the perimeter fencing, the gatehouse, standing tall. Wow! So that is what I'm saying. If you have not invested in Green Palms Estate Umagwo, like I said before, you are sleeping on a bike. So rush now and pick a plot or more for yourself, and I bet you'll be happy that you did. All our lands have been parcellated, which means you can even choose your own plot before you even make payment. All right, and all our beacons are all registered in the Ministry of Lands. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Rush and pick a plot or more for yourself in Green Palms Estate Umagwo, and I bet you'll be happy that you did. Now reach out to whoever that sent you this video to get started. Cheers.